Quick how you can save this email as a template in Gmail so you don't have to go back and find sent emails to copy and paste. This will be handy not just on this email but also on others. So I'm going to copy the email from the line down. I highlight it, I'm going to right click and hit copy. Then I'm going to go into a new compose message. Let's get rid of that. And I'm going to come right here to the body, right click, and I'm going to hit paste. And I'm going to take out the email signature. On template emails, it'll automatically add your current email signature, so I don't recommend saving these with an email signature. Then you're going to come down here right next to the trash can. There's the 3 dots for more options. Click here, and you're going to hover over templates, and then saved draft as template. You're just hovering over this with your mouse, and then the next screen pops up. These are all the templates that I have saved. Your list will probably not look like that, of course, but if I hover over that, that'll pop up. I'm going to hit save as new template, and I'm going to call this new listing email for agents, and then save it. So to access that, you're going to hit the plus button, compose, and then when you go to more options, go to templates. These are all your templates you have saved. Here's the new listing email for agents. I just click on that. It's going to populate everything for me. It puts my current signature down there. I can still come in here and edit this if I want to put, a name on it. I can do whatever I want to. I can change the subject is going to be whatever you change your template as. So if I want to change the subject, I can do that, put in recipient, hit send, and I'm done. Hopefully that is helpful to you, not just for this email, but for others. See you soon.